What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, guys. I've got big news for Project Two-Tone, the giveaway car. Yes, guys, if you don't know, we do giveaway cars here, and we do them a little different. But essentially, you know, we did 4 to 8, and now we're doing Project Two-Tone. Well, Project Two-Tone, we've been putting some plans together for it. And once we get out to the shop, which we're headed out there here in just a few, we're going to go over that. But, yes, guys, some of you got a little butthurt about the new Edge. And, you know, it's one of those where I can see if we got rid of one of the Foxes, or if, you know, we only had Coyotes, or we only had push rods. But, my God, guys, lighten up. It's a freaking Mustang, okay? Just chill just a little bit. Yes, the freaking new Edge is awesome. We're about to do some badass content with it. But we're about to do stuff with this car and stuff with this car and Project Two-Tone and Lieutenant Dan and all the other stuff out there. So please, guys, for the few of you that got your panties in a wad, lighten up. It's not that serious. I promise we'll always have cool stuff for you. But with all that being said, we got to get out to the shop because we got to talk about some stuff. All right, boys, real quick, little diesel stop. I don't know about your area, but yeah. Welcome to 2021. I literally, guys, last year at this time, I could fill this truck up, a freaking F-250 diesel, for 40 bucks. This is probably going to be like 60, but whatever. It is what it is. One quick note, guys, I didn't do a video about it, but I did put brand new Headlight Fog Lights on the truck. The original ones were kind of looking a little tired, but really dig the way that came out. So drop me a comment below if you want to see more diesel content. That's just some of the little projects I do in my spare time. Truck is full. Let's get out to the shop. All right, so I know everybody is like, yo, Caleb, what's the deal, man? What's going on? Okay, so obviously Project Two-Tone, guys. You know, we pulled the engine and trans out. It needed a good sealing, needed a good cleaning, all of that. And I knew what we were going to do, but I couldn't say what we were going to do. For the simple fact of, you know, with, you know, how COVID has been and supply chains being so far behind, I didn't really know exactly when this would transpire. So I've had to kind of keep this under my hat. All right, guys, so you know, we pulled the engine and the transmission out. It had the C4 in it. Wanted to give it a good cleaning. I wanted to totally reseal the engine, you know, and I just wanted everything to be clean, right, all of that, you know, for the winter of the car. I hated the C4. All right, so this was the issue. Guys, I'm sorry, I hated it. I don't like it. And the C4 didn't have overdrive. You know, this wasn't going to be something that you could drive a lot, you know, if you wanted to do it long distances. And what we're trying to do with Project Two-Tone is make it a really, really fun cruising, you know, street car. You know, something that looks good, has a nice stance, and is a joy to drive. You know, cold air, you know, all of that good stuff. So, this is what we're doing. Yes, Project Two-Tone is getting converted to manual. Not only is it getting converted to manual, it's getting a brand freaking new TKX Tremec from Silver Sport transmission and their brand new hydraulic clutch kit. I mean, everything brand new. They're using their kit to convert the pedal assembly over to T5, you know, or T5 to a manual pedal assembly, which you've seen here on the channel. They make that kit now that you can take a automatic pedal assembly and make it into a manual assembly. You know, you don't have to try and source one out of a junkyard. So Project Two-Tone, I'm pretty sure we're taking it to them and they're going to do the whole install. We haven't entirely worked that out, but yes, guys, Project Two-Tone is getting a brand new TKX kit from Silver Sport Transmission. I am super pumped about it. I could not be happier about that. All right, guys, so yes, the cat is out of the bag. Fresh resealed motor, you know, everything cleaned up. Gonna do some minor performance upgrades, nothing crazy. I want the car to be as enjoyable as possible. You can do whatever you want to do after that. We're gonna do all the hard stuff, but it is getting a brand new freaking TKX from Silver Sport. This is it's gonna be freaking awesome. Other things, like I said, we've got a lot of cosmetic stuff. Got a new bumper cover for this. It was jacked up, you can see. So we've got a brand new bumper cover from LMR for it. We got to get that painted. I'm not sure what else. Obviously we're gonna drop it. Wheels and tires, probably like some of the SVE 10th anniversaries with the 10s in the back, something like that. I don't know. Drop me a comment below. What wheels do you think would look the best on Project Two-Tone? Yeah, so that's kind of, I guess the cat is out of the bag, guys, and I hope you're as excited as I am. The brand new TKX is a ridiculous transmission, and you'll never have to buy another one. It doesn't matter if you put a turbo, whatever you do, you know, whoever wins this car, you're going to have a rock solid transmission with zero issues. It's going to be primo. All right, guys, so we're running in the shop, and of course, my phone rings every time. Potential spam. Yeah, we're not answering that. All right, so let's talk. Yes, Boomer's car is, we're going to be driving Boomer's cars very soon. We started some of the disassembly of the engine, and you know, a lot of little stuff we're going to do. The engine's in great shape, but I want it to look good too. You know, so we're going to put all the good gaskets on it, you know, just replace all the little crusty parts, make it look really good. I'm not sure what other performance parts we're going to do to it just yet. But again, my main goal is this thing is a super reliable, super fun car that the winner can either leave the way it is and enjoy, or do whatever the heck they want to with it. All right, guys, so real quick turn around the shop. Yes, we will be driving Boomer's car very shortly. The charge pipe is out for powder coat. So that will be coming very shortly. First drive of the Turbo Yodi, and of course it's going to the dyno. Gonna get it tuned and see what kind of numbers it's laying down. Gonna be freaking epic. The Coyote 4i, guys, keep an eye out here. I'm not sure what the future is. It may possibly be for sale. It's not now, so just, if you're an interested buyer, stay tuned to the channel. There's a good possibility this will be for sale. I don't know yet. Yes, sir. Check it out. We got the brand new Lmr Bezel Surround. Let's get this thing out. So if you don't know what this part is, this is the gauge cluster surround for the 87 to 93 cars. This great part right here, which is the centerpiece of your dash. So why do you need this? That's why. So the reason that part is so freaking amazing is because of this stuff. Because of this stuff. Right here. See all the tabs broken? Gauges stuffed everywhere? Yeah. That's why that's so important, because this part is basically the pinnacle, the center of your dash, and if it's not tight, it rattles around. And if you've got holes drilled in it everywhere, like this one, you're pretty much out of luck. So the center of your dash looks like crap. Enter LMR with the brand new, just released cluster surround. Notice there's no holes drilled for the monster tacks. There's no broken tabs. You have brand new hardware so it doesn't rattle around. You've even got a brand new seal that goes right there around the steering column. This is what you want. Everything is there, even the metal supports installed. Bolt this thing in, your interior is good to go. And then up there on the left, we got Lee Gathing's car back he put all the 5-lug four-wheel disc brakes on it. Dover's getting the lines and all that good stuff together. So another upgrade for this. If you don't remember this, this is a Gen 2 Mustang engine, 6R80 trans. Super cool car. Gotta love it. And then of course, all the other stuff and all the other stuff out there. But variety is the spice of life, guys, and so I promise to always keep you with something fresh to watch. That is the goal, and I feel like we do pretty good. We mix up a lot of it, and you never know what you're gonna see. So hope you enjoy that, and if you do, big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button, guys. We will catch you on the next one.